Hey guys, so I'm happy you're inside the cabin with me. So I'd like to show you guys some of the new technology integrations that have happened. So now the iDrive screen, as you can see, is a bit bigger, and that definitely makes it easier on the eyes, less distracting. The head-up display, if it is equipped with it, it is 75% larger than 2017. So definitely is a great thing to have, I must say. It is digital dash now, so you can see it illuminate at night. It's easy to see. And then as you change the driving dynamics from Eco Pro, Comfort to Sport, it has a different color. So you're not like curious, what sport am I in? What driving dynamic am I in? So Sport, Comfort, Eco Pro, it all has its own color, and you could also see sport displays on there too. So with this, we have Sirius Radio, Apple CarPlay compatibility, touchscreen, and then if you have the Connected Drive app, which I strongly encourage every BMW owner to have, that integrates you and your phone into your car. So you can lock and unlock your car from your phone. You can sound the horn, flash your lights, you can see where your car is at, and you can see how much fuel battery is left in your car. Soon to come with that is they're going to have if you're looking up for somewhere to go out to eat on the weekends, anything like that, you can add intermediate destinations if you got to stop along the way. So this makes it very convenient, so it can let you know what time to leave, as what time the traffic and how the flow is going with that. It updates every 3 minutes, so it can give you that time to leave. Very convenient to have. You can see stats within your vehicle, and then some safety things I'd like to go over. It has lane departure warning, blind spot detection, you have your parking assistant. All those features are awesome to have if you're a safety driver, especially if you've got a family, kids, all that stuff. We always just like to be very protected and very cautious. So you got your cameras all around. And I feel like they really stepped up the game with the 2018 X3 and just the model. It's comfort, luxurious, and the quality is there, worth every single penny, and it just definitely rates so high. So I highly recommend the new 2018 X3 to all you BMW advocates out there. Thank you.